On this day, we shine a light on our beloved Earth community ministry at the Riverside Church. This ministry passionately protests against policies and practices, both individual and institutional, that contribute to the climate crisis. We also care for our shared planet through education, greening initiatives, lifestyle changes, and courageous political action. The beloved Earth community has made significant progress in advancing our mission of environmental stewardship through various channels, including our monthly newsletters, digital gatherings, and insightful discussions. Our newsletter addresses the urgent issue of climate change and offers practical information on effective recycling practices.